Welcome back to the Truckin' Journey. I'm Trucker Jim, and this is episode 90. Today, I am backed up to a dock in Indiana waiting to get loaded, and by the way the guy talks in there, he don't even know what he's going to put on my trailer yet. So I may be here for a couple of hours. So the detention clock has started ticking, but what has not started ticking is my clock, because I got here last night. Heck, I'm already reset, ready to roll, but I just got to wait for this guy to load part of the trailer, and then I'm going to Owensboro, Kentucky to load the other half. I wish it would have been the other way around, because there's a Planet Fitness in Owensboro and Corydon, Indiana. Well, I ain't gonna say nothing's here, because things are here, but what's not here is a Planet Fitness. And last week, I didn't even get one single workout in. I know, right? But if you fall off that horse, what do? You get back on. I do, however, have some good news to share. Last week, I picked up referral bonus number 3 for 2018, so I'd like to officially welcome Larry Barber to the G&P team. Larry is on the Texas fleet, so most of his runs are back and forth to Laredo. So that should be fun, Larry, and should be great miles, so congratulations. And because of that, Jim got an extra little paycheck, and I always try to do something with those bonuses to make the Truckin' Journey video series better. Which what I did with this one is got these. You guys know what those are? They're goggles. They're goggles that are made specifically for the DJI Mavic Pro drone. And I'm still figuring out, but I did get just a little bit of footage of the experience of going to get these. So here, check it out. Alright people, here we are at Best Buy, and I have decided I want to get an accessory for my DJI Mavic drone, and that is the DJI goggles. Now I've looked around, like the retail price is about $450, and that's what they are here at Best Buy. But they're really, really awesome. But I've looked around on Amazon, and then I found a place where you can get it for $3.99 that I took a screenshot. So my expectation of walking in here is the price match guarantee, and get it for $50 off today. Alright guys, I'm in Best Buy, and I have very good news to share with you guys. A few minutes ago, I was excited about saving $50. I thought I was smart going on Amazon price match guarantee. But this awesome dude right here told me, well, today if you're getting the normally $450 goggles, it's considered an accessory. You buy 3 accessories, you get 25% of them off. 25% off all accessories. So I'm getting the goggles for how much again? Over $100 savings on the goggles.
They're like $330-ish dollars.
It's a good deal. All right. I don't have a bag, but I got a bunch of stuff and got a good deal on it. And I've got the email receipt. I wonder if I can walk out without getting tackled or showing my receipt. Let's try it. Have a good one.
Yeah, the receipt for that, sir?
It's on my email. You may be wondering, what's in the box, Jim? Well, I tell you what. We're going to take a look in this box, and I'm going to take the instruction book out, and I'm going to look over it while I have some lunch here at Fuddruckers. And there they are, the DJI goggles. As far as what's in the box, there's the actual goggles themselves, and then the headband, which the battery is supposed to be in this, and it's supposed to have a 6-hour battery life. And then I'm assuming the cables are in there, and then there's a wall charger and an instruction book. Which burger? I think I'll go with the smokehouse cheddar half pound. Now that was a tasty burger. And I tell you one thing, I am not hungry anymore, which I want to give a special shout out to. I think this is a Little League baseball team, but they are some excited little dudes, and I hope you guys are subscribers now. I am loaded, and on my way to my next pickup, I just stopped at the Pilot that's on the way to get a little ice in my water cup. People, it is hump day here in South Carolina. It's a rainy hump day, but it's awesome because I'm parked at a Planet Fitness, just got an awesome workout in for about an hour and a half, even got a massage at the end and a shower. So I am feeling good on this rainy Wednesday. But I'm getting ready to go pick up a load from Michelin, but I'm not going to Louisville. Imagine that. I'm going to like Spring Hill, Tennessee. But I do have two pieces of exciting news to share with you guys. Number one, Truckin.com is up and official. It is a real website, people. So when you get time, check it out. At the time of this recording, I think it may still be optimizing because everything isn't on the iPhone for it, but when I check it on my iPad, everything's up. It looks beautiful. I'd like to give a big shout out to Stacy Davis for making that website happen for me. But there's, information about me. There's a link that takes you right to my YouTube channel, and then there's a lot of other helpful links like a practice CDL test. There's also a link to the law firm that I use, Interstate Trucker, that has helped protect my CDL. If you don't have anything like that, you may want to consider it. I think it's worth a few bucks a week that it costs. And one thing I would like to do this year is connect with more of you and more good people in the trucking industry. So what I've done is started a Zello channel. That's right. All you need to do is download the Zello app and find the channel Truckin' Journey. It's got a green background. It's a picture of me in there. And there's no cost for it. But what Zello is, I kind of describe it as the modern day CB that works nationwide. It's an app that you download onto your phone. It's in the App Store or whatever the Android thing is called, and just search for the room Truckin Journey. And I do recommend put it on toggle. Like, you press this button to talk. If you don't have toggle, you gotta hold the button to talk. If you have toggle on there, you press it to talk, you press it again to end your talk. But there can be, heck, 100 of us having conversations while we're going down the road. You want to make sure you have your Bluetooth headset connected while you're doing that, or there can be, well, background noise. But I need to go ahead and wrap up this episode because I am bobtailed here at the Planet Fitness. And actually, if I wouldn't have been bobtailed, I wouldn't have made it in here. So it worked out, but there wasn't an empty trailer where I dropped this trailer last night at the G&P warehouse. So I got to call dispatcher, send them a Qualcomm message and see if it's okay for me to bobtail or if I've got to find a trailer to go to Michelin. Hey, but all of you, thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you check out the website. Once again, it's keepontruckin.com. And if you'd like to connect on more of a personal basis, download the Zello channel, and it's also called Truckin Journey. Well, guys, my clock is just reset, so I got a fresh 8 hours to do the first part of my shift. So I'm going to get started on it. I really wanted to end with some drone footage because it's raining. Well, I'm not really wanting to stand out in the rain and fly a drone around and get all my equipment wet. I hope you understand. But make sure, if you're not subscribed, you do subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications so you'll see when the next video is up. I do plan to go live this Thursday around 7 o'clock Eastern time. But hey, if you like this video, be like this jolly bunch from the UK and give it the thumbs up. And make sure you check out the website. Once again, it's keepontruckin.com. But until next time, everyone, please be safe out there and keep on truckin.com.